Hello, my name's Adam and I'm here to demonstrate our Legacy sliding sash window. In partnership with Restrictors, we are able to offer the most authentic and cost-effective sliding sash window on the market. Let's start with colour. This beautiful window behind me is finished in an agate grey wood grain. As standard, our sliding sash windows are finished in a smooth white, and then we have the option of adding up to 13 different wood grain finishes to the window. If you want to go that extra mile, we even offer a bespoke colouring service where you can choose any colour for your sliding sash windows. All our colour ranges are available both internal and external, or if you prefer, you can go with simple white on the inside. Now let's take a closer look at some of the features this heritage window has to offer. Most of the features are designed to replicate a timber sliding sash window. Here we have our run-through horn, which is a continuation of the top sash. We also offer a plant-on horn, which is a sculptured horn that is fixed to the bottom side of the top sash. On the lower sash, there is a standard bottom rail or a deep bottom rail. The deep bottom rail measures 100mm, which will replicate an existing timber sash window. For that extra authentic touch, you can also add a weather bar onto the sill. Although this bottom sash looks like it's made up of 6 panes of glass, it's only made up of 1. Inside the glass unit is a spacer bar, and on the surface of the glass is a 20mm astragal bar. As each window is made to order, you can choose from any bar layout. There are 3 options when it comes to the corner joints of your sliding sash windows: a standard 45-degree mitre weld joint, a seamless 45-degree weld joint, or, as the window is behind me here, a fully mechanical traditional system. Let's take a closer look at the internal side of the window. The lift hooks, tilt buttons and lock and keep all come as standard on your sliding sash window. You can choose from 2 different styles and 8 different colourways. For the added peace of mind, you can also add safety restrictors. These limit the opening to 100mm, but when it's overridden, the window can open to full height. Not only do both sashes slide up and down, but they can also be tilted inwards. This is especially useful on the first or second floor. It means the user can actually clean the windows without going outside. A key benefit of PVC sliding sash windows is their energy efficiency. This window has a 24mm air-filled glass unit, which gives it an energy rating of B and a U value of 1.5. We can also add argon gas into these glass units, giving it a U value of 1.4 and an energy rating of A. In areas such as bathrooms where obscure glass is required, we offer many different patterned glass, including the ever-popular satin glass and textured finishes. A Pass 24 security upgrade is also available. With this option, you'll get 2 high security lock and keeps, top sash security blocks, and an enhanced tilt mechanism. Choosing this option will ensure your sash windows are compatible with building regulations for new build properties. And that's our Legacy sliding sash window.